In this video, you will learn the basic meaning of the Japanese particle, no. The primary function of this particle is to show that one noun belongs to or is owned by another noun. To use a technical term, no is the genitive case marker. In English, the genitive case is shown by '(s) or the preposition of. For example, Mike's cat means Mike owns the cat, while the property of the church means that the property belongs to the church. In general, A no B means B of A, or A's B. For instance, in Akira no neko, the two nouns Akira and neko, cat, are connected by the particle no. This means that Akira owns the cat. Another example, Boku no o-nee-san wa yasashii. My sister is kind. In this example, boku, me, and o-nee-san, sister, are connected by no. So, boku no o-nee-san is my sister. In Japanese, personal pronouns do not inflect for different cases, meaning pronouns don't change forms. Instead, different grammatical roles are expressed by means of case particles like no, ga, and o. In English, on the other hand, personal pronouns do change forms, depending on the cases they want to express. The first person singular pronoun, I, for instance, changes from I to my to me. The next example, 君のお母さんの妹の家のリビングの広さはどれくらい? How big is the living room in your mother's sister's house? In this sentence, no is used in succession. 君のお母さんの妹の家のリビングの広さ。君のお母さん your mother, お母さんの妹 the mother's sister, 妹の家 the sister's house, 家のリビング the living room of the house, リビングの広さ the size of the living room. In the next episode, you will learn a different meaning of the particle no.